Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso Machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Shot of espresso. Test the hot water. Hot water is working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.